Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare routine. Well, winters are already here and all of us need to switch a skincare game, and not with just winters but with every changing season. Your skincare regime should be season appropriate, and that's what I feel and that's what I do for my skincare regime. So the products I'm going to be sharing with you in this video are layered correctly. They can actually make a huge difference in your skin in winter specifically. This video is a small collaboration with Daughter Earth. I only started using these products recently but obviously cannot stop. I started loving these products, and here are a few recommendations of the products for you guys for winters in specific. So the first product which I have here is this wild Himalayan apricot oil. Use this pristine pure body oil to gently massage your baby or to care for your own skin. Apricot kernel oil increases skin suppleness and elasticity to help prevent stretch marks. It's a lightweight, non-greasy and quick absorbing wild apricot oil, best to use as a body moisturizer. How I like to use this is as a facial oil. It's best to apply before cleanser or before bath. If you really have a dry, flaky skin, it is suitable for all skin type including eczema prone and acne prone skin. Next I have here is this Daughter Earth Exfoliating Cleanser. It's a oil-free cream cleanser, forms gentle foam when mixed with water. No added fragrance. Sweet cherry and strawberry in the formula lend a beautiful berry fresh fragrance. It's scientifically formulated with plant-powered alpha-beta and polyhydroxy acid to gently dislodge dead cells and clarify the look. Gentle cocoa glucoside to maintain the skin is natural hydration balance with gentle cleanse. Moving on, I have this Daughter Earth Facial Mist, a multivitamin blue light facial mist with plant stems, cells fermented kombucha and antioxidant rich chebula to soothe, tone and comfort the skin while adding a boost of hydrating botanical nourishment. It smells like fresh rain and cucumber with light floral notes. Gives your skin a little pepper with powerful sprays. Next, I have here is the Succulent Gel Moisturizer, a weightless veil of moisture in a jar. A soothing gel moisturizer with black tea, ferment kombucha and Swiss apple fruit stem cells extract to hydrate and nourish for a supple and healthy looking skin. If you have a broken barrier, you are going to love this. Even if you have a oily skin, you are going to love this because it is a gel moisturizer. It's best for all skin type. You can definitely add this in your day and night skincare routine. Next I have this Daughter Earth Body Moisturizer. This is the best if you have a body breakout, flakiness and areas needing soothing moisture. It is intense concentrated antioxidant booster. The scarlet lotus and vanilla body butter nourish and hydrates you, skin leaving it smelling delicious. Apply all over the body, post shower and reapply whenever required. It is suitable for all skin type. Lastly, I have this vitamin C booster powder. This is very new to me. I have never seen such product. It is designed to be versatile and can be mixed with serums, creams, face mask, cleanser and facial mist. It's a powder booster of 95% vitamin C with fluoric acid, antioxidants and natural moisturizing factors to help brighten and even the look. Mix fresh in your palm in a water-based serum, creams and apply. It is best if you want instant fresh and dewy look. It can be applied on face or any part of the body. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed it. This video may be helpful for you guys in some or the other way. I would definitely recommend these products as I have not seen any dryness, dullness, flakiness in this winter season. You can definitely check these products out and links are given in my description box below. Till then, I shall see you in my next video. Tada, bye bye, take care.